What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are now in Tesco. Well, we've already bought something, but I didn't make a video yet. Well, we need to do a quickly one before my mom grounds me. Where is it? Well, I'm gonna come back to this way. Okay, so up there we have a Hochiki detector, and all around the building we have some red sounders.
Out. That one here.
Okay. And there we have some Hochiki call point, and there, all the way to there, we have a Gentex Commander 3 there.
Right, let's go.
And then in the car park we have some sounders like these ones. Oh. Okay. Oh, hi there. How's it going?
Come here, but you should coat.
When we arrive down,
Right,
I'll do it. Okay.
Yeah, we need to get out of the way, quick. Yeah.
Look what I have. Oh, we have a sprinkler. Even this one. And this one. Everywhere we have sprinklers. Even this horn. Nearly got tripped. Biscuits, what was that? Whoa, they have 2 call points. So there, everywhere, we have all there. We have sounders, sprinklers, call points, 2 smoke detectors, and this and this. And no smoking sign. And that's all we got today. Well, I'm not gonna stop the video because we have some horns outside. You see what I mean? There are some horns in car parks, and I like Tesco. Tesco is my favorite. Mommy, Tesco, I love Tesco.
Right, get in the car.
Hold on. When you close the boot, I'll do it. 1.
No, thank you, no.
Why?
Because that's not how you put chopping away, is it?
Oh, okay. I'll do it sensible.
No, that's fine. I need to put them in a bag. Thank you.
Man, I like those cactus barbecue chips. I'm gonna have these for my snack when I get home.
Just stop.
This. Okay, I think we are done with the video, everybody. Subscribe. Oh wait, we're not done yet. Hold on, Mom, I'll be right back. I'm not gonna go to that Range Rover. And I got a horn sounder there.
Come on.
We're gonna have to go into the car now. Whoa. Oh man. It was a good day with Tesco. Alright guys, so I made a short about the Tesco and you're gonna like it. It's funny.